This rocket stove build starts with digging a hole in the ground that will fit a cinder block. The air will flow through the cinder block and into the burn chamber. Then the air will move up through the chimney. The next step is to add a hardware cloth or metal fencing on top of the cinder block and burn chamber. These are just scrap pieces of hardware cloth that I had laying around. I had to add a little more dirt just to level it out. Here I try and make sure the foundation of the bricks is nice and secure. And then I just stack the bricks all the way up. And this is 11 stacks of 4 bricks, so 44 bricks in total. Once the stove is built, I can start a fire. I added some cardboard to get it started. I had to make some kindling real quick as well. Very little smoke is produced, so that means the stove has really good airflow. When you look through the cinder block, you can see all of the wood sitting on the hardware cloth. You can fill the stove to the top of the chimney if you want to. Just try and stagger the wood so the air can move through it easier. Here's another shot just showing how little smoke is being produced with these types of stoves. This is what the fire looks like when it finishes burning out, and because it burns so efficiently it hardly leaves any ash or coal, and the ash will just fall through the hardware cloth.